Chris over at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. It's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday afternoon. Today I'm going to do a comparison test on two of the most bought vacuums, which are Shark and Dyson. Everybody knows it's a common household name. Today we're going to be comparing the UP13, which is one of the most bought uprights for Dyson. They range anywhere between $450 to about $550. It just depends on where you go and if they have sales, but the high end is about $550 for this vacuum. On my right here, we're going to compare the Shark. This particular one is the Shark Apex. It's the Liftaway. They retail for a much lower price, they're around $299. But we carry more Shark and sell a lot more Shark for a few different reasons, not just because it's a lower price point, but because we believe it's a lot better vacuum than what you're spending on these Dysons. So with the Dysons, it's pretty straightforward. There's not really a lot of extras with them. You have the main power head here. You pull this back, it releases the pedal release, allows you to start vacuuming. You can turn the roller on and off. You can turn the machine on and off with the button here. It does have a decent sized tank, which is very easy to pop off. You have a pre-filter system here, so you're going to have a pre-filter in there. Your main exhaust HEPA filter is going to be right there. It does have a swivel technology. It also comes with a few tools and attachments to be able to do your steps, furniture. The hose pops out here from the top, which is a decent length of the hose, which is nice. So it's pretty straightforward. I think most places they carry a year warranty when you buy these brand new. We get a lot of these in for repair, a lot. Not that they're not bad vacuums. I'm a little bit biased to Dyson, but I believe that for the price point, they could add a little bit more to these vacuums, and that's why we're going to show you what the Shark has to offer. So the Shark, it's an upright vacuum. I know it's a little hard in the camera to notice, but on the front here, this has a 2-roller system. So on the front here, you see this microfiber roller. This is strictly for all your hardwood floors. This does not have anything to be able to do the hardwood floors with. So this is for your hardwood floors, and right behind it, this is your brush roll to do all your carpets. Now the cool thing about this brush roll is it's a non-tangle roller. So if you struggle with pet hair or just hair in general in your house that tangles up on the roller, this roller will not allow anything to tangle up on it. It's a tangle-free roller. It has a sensor in here that's going to allow the roller to stop. If something gets jammed, stuck, or up in here, this is going to shut that roller down to stop from belts breaking, the rollers breaking, the motor going bad. You do have a panel to have easy access, so you can pop this panel back. If you do have anything stuck in here, you can pull that panel off, and it'll allow you to gain access to that there. Okay. Another cool feature to this is it has a 3-stage system. So you have your hardwood floors, which is the trigger all the way. Your on and off is right here. So you can do hardwood floors. You can do low pile carpet, so you can switch this to low pile carpet, and then you pull this all the way up. That's going to be for your tough, thick pile carpet cleaning. This is nice because it has the lift-away feature, meaning you can remove the whole tank from the whole system. So if you need to lay this thing down completely flat, to be able to get underneath furniture, beds, sofas, different things like that, this allows you to lay this completely flat. And if you have somebody like me who lives in a townhouse and you have multiple levels of steps, you can simply attach all your attachments directly to the handle, and this just kind of goes with you. You can sit it right on the step, do each step all the way up. You don't have to lug a big heavy vacuum around. So there's plenty of versatility with this vacuum. We totally like it. It has 2-stage filtration system. Again, you have your pre-filter here. Your main HEPA filter is right there. This does have the LED lights on the front of it. This one does not have no lights on it. So for the price point, everything that you get, all the additionals, you can also remove the wand here, so you can just completely detach the wand if you just need to get some edge cleaning and stuff. So there's just so many functions to these Sharks, and they're so better priced, and they're going to do exactly the same thing. The suction is almost very close. I think the suction is just a little bit better on the hose, but as far as cleaning, I think this is going to do a fantastic job on the carpets, the hardwood floors. It's a phenomenal price point. It has a really decent warranty on it. You can buy these Sharks directly from us. We have the XLs, we have the Shark Navigators, we have the Liftaways, we have you know, all the different types of models, the rotators, different stuff like that. So come see us here at Ace Vacuums. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date with everything we got going on. Now, next video I'll show you guys is a comparison side-by-side test on how well they pick up dirt. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys.